Hello, and I'm Holly from Brook Falls Veterinary Hospital and Exotic Care, and joining me today is Dr. Case again, but this time we're going to talk about guinea pigs and their overall best care practices. So, thank you, Dr. Case.
Yeah.
First question, are guinea pigs easy to take care of?
So they're relatively easy to take care of, yeah. I would say that, they're going to be a little bit easier than like a dog or a cat, but still a little bit of work.
How do I care for my guinea pig?
Yeah, so we've got a lot of good kind of husbandry information that we provide to kind of a lot of our clients when we see them, but they'll need an enclosure with proper bedding, proper food like hay and pellets, proper cleaning, things like that, and just to make sure that everything goes well.
How do I find a guinea pig vet near me?
Yeah, so definitely we see guinea pigs here, but otherwise online, if you search for a guinea pig veterinarian, you should find some ones that do feel comfortable seeing guinea pigs. They'll be advertising it on their website.
Beautiful. How do I care for my guinea pig's teeth?
Yeah, so some guinea pigs do have some teeth issues that require veterinary attention, but otherwise making sure that they have unlimited access to hay will help kind of grind down their teeth naturally.
Can I give my guinea pig a bath?
So you can. You don't necessarily need to, but you can use kind of some baby shampoo, nice warm water, making sure that you dry them completely when they're done to make sure they don't get too cold.
Where can I find a guinea pig care guide?
Yeah, so we are uploading one on our website shortly, so you can check back with that. Otherwise, we do have lots of handouts that we give to people when they go to kind of their guinea pig's first veterinarian visit.
So the first time they see you, you'll have some good informational...
Yep, yeah, absolutely. We've got kind of folders that we'll give out with a bunch of information.
But coming soon, we hope to have it available on the website for you guys. How do I clean my guinea pig's cage?
Yeah, so you can do kind of spot cleaning of where they go to the bathroom, things like that. Definitely doing kind of a deep clean. You can use like a very, very dilute bleach solution to clean out everything and making sure you change out the bedding, things like that on a regular basis.
Do guinea pigs need hay feeders?
They don't actually need hay feeders. So you can just kind of put the hay down on the bottom of the cage and they can access it just fine like that. They don't need it to be kind of up in a fancy holder.
I tried a fancy holder and my guinea pig just knocked it right off the side of the cage. And then I spent the majority of the time picking it out of the carpet.
Yes. Yeah.
I learned for my guinea pig, at least, it was better just to put it in the cage for her.
Uh-huh.
The name pig is in there for a reason.
Yeah, exactly right.
They can be messy. Can guinea pigs get fleas?
So they can, yeah, if you have another animal in the house that has fleas that can jump to them. But otherwise they shouldn't kind of have fleas if it's not introduced from somewhere else.
Okay. Can guinea pigs get a cold?
They can get their own version of a cold, yeah. They can get some upper respiratory kind of infections and symptoms like that. It's not necessarily the same cold that we have, but yeah, they can get their own version of a cold.
And how do I care for baby guinea pigs?
Baby guinea pigs, yeah. So they are born kind of ready to go evolutionarily, so they should be kind of good to go on their own, but definitely as soon as you do have those baby guinea pigs, bring in mom and babies to the vet to get them checked over and making sure that everything looks good with that, and then we can kind of instruct you on various ages, things like that, what to kind of provide for them.
What to kind of expect as they grow.
Yep, exactly.
All right. What do I do if my guinea pig is not moving?
Not moving is a real big emergency, so definitely getting that guinea pig to a veterinarian as fast as possible. They are prey species, so they kind of hide their illnesses until it's very serious. So if it's not moving, you have a very sick guinea pig. So getting them care as soon as possible.
So like an ER facility if we're not open?
Yeah, yep, ER facility in the area. There's a couple different ones that will see guinea pigs. Otherwise, yeah, giving us a call.
Okay. Why does my guinea pig have dry feet, and what can I do about that?
Yeah, so sometimes they can get dry feet if as they get older, or if their bedding is kind of too rough, or the floor of their enclosure is too rough. So making sure it's nice and soft. We love using like fleece lining, fleece blankets, padding them together makes it nice and soft. Otherwise, if they are kind of dry and flaky and you do have it nice and soft, kind of getting that guinea pig seen, because there might be a little infection kind of going on down there.
Right.
Making sure nice and soft, and just lots of cleaning, making sure everything is nice and clean at all times.
So you'll be able to kind of best guide what's happening, what's going on, and then but you kind of need to see that first.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
How do I clean my guinea pig's ears out?
Yeah, so you shouldn't really need to. Guinea pigs do have kind of some waxy stuff in there. So you probably wouldn't need to kind of clean their ears out unless you notice that it's really smelly or they're really going at them, in which case you should kind of bring them to the vet anyway, and then we'll do it for you.
There could be a lot going on, hey?
Yeah, there could be an infection in there or something like that, so making sure to have them seen by a veterinarian and not kind of taking it over yourself, just because there could be a couple different things going on.
And can we see that with the naked eye, or is that something that...
Yeah, usually we'll need a special scope to kind of see in there, to see actually down into the ear canals.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay. And last but not least, how do I clip my guinea pig's nails?
Yeah, so it can be tough if they have the darker nails.
Yeah.
But having kind of the little trimmers, and if they're white nails, you just want to take the white part and don't touch the pink part at all. But if they are darker, then you just start with really tiny bits to make sure that you're not going to hit that quick and make them bleed. But definitely, if you're not comfortable or if you don't have someone to help you hold, we definitely can do it for you. Otherwise, I think some of the local humane societies, every couple weekends, they'll have...
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Yeah, like little $5 events where you can bring in your guinea pig and they'll trim the nails for you.
Okay. I know my girls hated it whenever I trim their nails. They just scream and scream at me, and I'm like, but I have to, otherwise you get stuck in the carpet.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
So that's it for guinea pig overall care guidelines from us. If you have any questions regarding caring for your guinea pig, please give us a call and we'd be happy to help. Thank you, Dr. Case.
Yeah.